afternoon, welcome. This is Waec English Test of Oral Past Question year 2020. Question number 53 says we should look out for the word that contains the given phonetic symbol, and the given phonetic symbol here is t, that is consonant sound. It is a consonant sound, and also it is a voiced consonant sound. It is a voiced consonant sound, and option A here is pronounced as ank shift. So you find out that in its pronunciation the letter D is silent. The letter D is silent. Then option B is pronounced as past. So this is the sound as t. The option C is pronounced as ansem. While option D is pronounced as bride. So in this transcription and its pronunciation, you find out that the letter D here is silent. The letter D here, ED here, is represented by T. Then the letter D in this word, ansem, but people say antsum. It is not antsum, it is ansem. The letter D is silent, but in option D, the letter D is not silent, it is voice. Therefore, option D is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more videos.